My name is Sean Garcia. I do sales for Expedited Service Partners. I've been doing construction sales for about 13 years. What I've done is expand our name among different GCs and organizations like AGC, Associated General Contractors America, EPCCA, El Paso County Contractors Association, HCC, Hispanic Contractors of Colorado, which is the MEB, WEB, CB, DB. So minority-owned business, women-owned business, disadvantaged business. The first 5 months have definitely been getting our name out. No one knows who we really are, but we're expanding the horizons on what equipment and services we can supply to them. Love just being outdoors, skiing, snowboarding, hiking, camping, fishing with friends, family. Try to be outdoors as much as I can, enjoying nature. Grew up playing tennis, soccer, track, baseball. Recently got into pickleball. Never thought I would, but one of my childhood heroes endorsed it, Andre Agassi, so I'm all about it these days. Grew up skiing and snowboarding, taught both over the years. I mostly snowboard with the nephews, but still get the skis out with buddies and certain family members. Don't want to toot my own horn. Bad karma on the slopes, but I'm trouble on a double black diamond. Typically, I don't walk away from things. I like to learn about it as much as I can. I like being forced to learn something new or find a solution, which is probably why sales suits me. I go head on to the challenge. We do a lot at Expedited Service Partners. I'm learning new stuff we do every day, especially with the disaster, CAT, and special project calls we're getting all the time. You know, every weekly call is amazing, you know, what we're stepping into, and it's pretty awesome and exciting to be a part of. I've learned a lot from, you know, everyone on the leadership, Phil, Will, Chris, our Louisiana Cajun Paula. They are definitely jacks of all trades. They know people all around the world, all around the nation, and they're always a resource I can rely on, and I've been able to provide my resources as well. I see a lot of potential with Expedited Service Partners, and that's kind of what drew me to the company. I think they are on the precipice of becoming a very large construction services provider in addition to being a CAT disaster company. I think eventually we will evolve to a Titan and rental equipment within the construction industry and other realms of disaster and CAT. You know, I've experienced a lot of good teammates here. They all have a willingness to help, a willingness to learn. They all sleep a lot less than I do. You know, the world is always changing, business is always changing, needs are always changing. Solutions companies' need are always changing, so try to be as versatile as you can. You know, stay up on news, you know, technology, equipment, services that can make you a differentiating partner for someone within the industry so that you can be here for the long run and not the short run. If you can do that on a consistent day-to-day basis, you can't help but be successful, and I think ESP embodies that.